Hi everyone. Let's start our first problem in exercise 2.1. The graphs of y is equal to p of x are given below for some polynomials p of x. Find the number of zeros of p of x in each case. Let us look at the first problem. In the first problem, you are seeing x and y axis. What are those? Horizontal line is indicating x axis. Vertical line is indicating y-axis. So, here they are asking p of x, nothing but how many zeros are cutting how many times the line is cutting the x-axis. That is nothing but number of zeros. So, if you look at the first problem, no zeros. So, it is not cutting anywhere on the x-axis. So, answer is 0. If you look at the second problem, it is cutting the x-axis only one time. That is here. So, the number of zeros are only 1. We are only finding this one, p of x. How many times does the line cutting the horizontal line, which is x-axis? If you look at the third problem, how many times it is cutting? 1, 2, 3. So, the number of zeros existed in this third problem is 3. Next problem. What is the fourth figure? Here and here. It is cutting twice. So, answer is 2. The number of zeros existed in the fourth figure is 2. In fifth one, 1, 2, 3, 4. It is cutting 4 times. So, the number of zeros are 4. And in the sixth one, 1, 2, 3. It is cutting or else touching the figure only 3 times. Touching the x-axis exactly. Only 3 times. So, number of zeros are 3. That's it for the first exercise. Let us look at the next exercise in the next video. Thank you.